Hello and welcome to another streamerbot tutorial. Some of you have mentioned that you like my videos, but you can't follow them because you're on the newest version and mine are old. So we're going to start from scratch and we're going to build a completely functional stream setup from square one. Starting with downloading the bot, and then we're going to show you how to connect it to OBS, and then we're going to show you how to connect it to Twitch in this episode. Okay, so we're going to download it, click download, it's going to show up here. Then we're going to go out to our desktop and make a new folder. You can put the folder anywhere, it doesn't have to be on your desktop. I just named mine tutorial bot, you can name it streamerbot or something. Then we're going to take this folder, we're going to extract it, or this zip file, we're going to extract it into this folder, and you're going to get this folder. We're going to open it up, we're going to scroll down until we see streamerbot.exe, and we're going to open that up. And everything that we're going to do is going to be on the latest version, so that way you can follow along. And now we are going to go to Stream Apps. We're going to go to OBS Studio. And then we're going to go into our Twitch. We're going to go into Tools, WebSocket Server. And then we're going to enable WebSocket Server. We're going to leave this as 4455. And we are going to generate a new password. Okay. Then you're going to click on Show Connect Info, and you're going to copy that password. You're going to go into the streamer bot. You're going to right click. You're going to name it something. I'm going to just name mine OBS, and I'm going to paste that password into here. We're going to hit OK. We're going to right click on it. We're going to hit Auto Connect, and we're going to also click Connect. And that's it for connecting it to OBS. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to connect it to Twitch. So we're going to go into Platforms. We're going to click on Twitch. We're going to go scroll down to Accounts. We're going to hit Login. This is important. You have to be logged into the account that you're going to use on Twitch. So we're going to hit Login. We're going to scroll down. We're going to hit Authorize. And you're also now connected to Twitch. Awesome. We're going to do this episode by episode. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.